Best Manila pasyalan na ma-enjoy ng lahat from kids to adult and may pa-hotel pa na pet-friendly sa loob? Watch this video to know where at kung magkano ang nagastos namin. Hi, we are Ja and Ren, and this is us documenting our travel before having a baby. So ayun na nga, papunta kami sa Hotel H2O in Manila Ocean Park. We celebrated Mother's Day here kasi requested ni Mama at gustong makakita ng shark. Nag-check-in muna kami at 2 p.m. We are expecting a room na may aquarium sa loob but sadly, fully booked na yung ganong klaseng rooms kaya we stayed here sa kanilang deluxe room. Sulit na kasi may magandang view siya ng Manila Bay. And syempre, pet-friendly. They started accepting pet nung January 2025 pa, kaya ayan si Ginger, pinupush ang sariling pagkasyahin ng provide na pet bed. Good thing about booking directly sa website is may free access ka sa Adventure Ocean, pero hindi kami nakapag-prepare ng swimwear kaya di na namin tinry. At isa pa, napakainit. Nasa 43 degrees sa labas nung time na yan. Kinabukasan, I woke up at 4:30 a.m. para mag-gym but sadly, 6 a.m. nag-o-open ang gym. So I decided to take a walk sa parking lot ng buong park. After walking for more than an hour, we take our breakfast. Their breakfast is just fine for me. Not bad, but not that special. So after kumain, kumuha na kami ng ticket to Oceanarium para before check-out, tapos na kami dahil ayaw naming maabutan ng init. Nag-start kami dito sa The Reef with colorful aquariums and corals. Makikita mo dito ang clownfish or kilala natin na si Nemo. Lionfish. At itong seahorse na first time kong makita. Next, we went to this giant aquarium kung saan makikita yung kilala nating stingrays and sharks. Pumunta kami next sa second floor to get a chance na mahawakan ng stingray. They are safe naman daw dahil tinanggal nila yung tip ng tail. Ito yung may venom na part sa kanila. Nung hinawakan ko, grabe, sobrang lambot. Parang jelly isang balat nila and this is one of my favorite part dito sa park. Next naman, we went sa Antarctica room nila kung saan makikita ang penguins. First time kong makakita ng penguin kaya excited ako at some point. At ito nga sila, ang cute nila super. Di na namin na-videoan lahat pero nakikita kong gusto nila makipag-interact. Nakatingin lang sila sa kamay namin at gustong gusto ko silang ipet. So after nito, 11 a.m. na so kailangan na naming mag-check out at hindi na kami nanood ng Sea Lion Show. Napakainit at wala ring pag-iiwanan si Ginger so we decided na umuwi na. Overall, we're happy pa rin sa experience and in this trip, we have spent a total of 3,165 each. Hope you liked this video and again, this is Ja and Ren. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.